Hello, my name is Roger and welcome to my channel. I will show you today how to set up the 120 Hz on an LG GN800 series or similar model. First of all, we have to go into the settings, then I will show you now my system software, that it's up to date. And I had everything set up to default for us to have the same start. So now we will go to the screen and video settings, and right from the start on it should work with 120 Hz, but I will show you a little bit more. The VRR is not working with this monitor, just to let you know. And it doesn't matter which resolution you choose. If you want to have the settings run on 1440p output and 120 Hz, it makes a test output and it will show you what is working and not. Oh, and everything works with the cable that is coming with your PlayStation 5. Don't be confused if you can choose the 2160p. Even if the monitor is not able to display this one, it scales it down and it still works. So don't be confused if it's not running. In the main menu, if you have not a game running that supports 120 Hz, it stays on 60 Hz in the main menu. You have to set up your games first in performance mode or with a special 120 Hz setting. I will show you this one with Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Okay, that's it. So if you like the video and my other videos, just like and subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next one.